video we will take you through the working of our advanced email extension for Vtiger CRM. From the main menu, select Marketing and then go to the Contacts module. Now select a record from the list view. To send an email, press the Send Email button on top right corner. Choose the email address to send the email and then click on the Select button. Now compose the email as per your requirements. Choose the module. Add the email address of receiving party. Enter the subject of the email. Add an attachment if needed. You can also select from the email templates to speed up the process. Enable the Include Signature checkbox if required. Once you have configured the email, press the Send Email button. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.